and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can make a complaint on Uber Eats. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Uber Eats account by tapping in your app. So once you have opened your app, you will end up in this kind of interface to simply tap on the account section. Once you tap on account, simply tap on the help option. So once you have tapped on help, you will be redirected to this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the option you want to inquire about. So once you have tapped on the option you want to inquire or complain about, you need to select what is causing you the problem. So simply tap on it. So now for further assistance, simply tap on I need to contact support. Once you have done this, you need to fill in your account name, your phone number, and your issue that you want to complain about. So once you have done this, simply hit the submit button and you are all done with your issue. So this is how you can make a complaint on Uber Eats. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching.